how to turn on or turn off support Wi-Fi 6 standard for mobile hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, go down, then tap on connections. And then in here, scroll down and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Next, tap on mobile hotspot. Then scroll down, and then from here, tap on band. Then tap on advanced. After that, scroll down. And in here, tap on support Wi-Fi 6 standard. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here says some devices aren't compatible with this standard and may experience connection problems. So if other people trying to connect to your hotspot having issues with establishing the connection, you may want to consider turning this off. Finally, tap on save, then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.